This is what the cross that Jesus carried would have actually looked like. It wasn't smooth and finished wood. It would have been jaggedy and very heavy. In fact, it probably would have weighed anywhere between 165 pounds and 300 pounds. And to give you perspective, a refrigerator weighs between 200 and 400 pounds. So it would have been like Jesus was carrying a refrigerator up a mountain. He had open wounds. He had been beaten. He was hungry. And to think that whole time, he had you on his mind. If you want to accept Jesus Christ into your life today, subscribe to my channel right now and watch the video that I have pinned below.